Hi. What do you think of this marathon? How was it?
It was great. If I would have got my shoes, I would have definitely run. It's always good to run for a cause, and the youth of the country can only do that because if you're young, you're motivated, you're strong, and you want to do those things. But these kind of things help, in first of all awareness, which is raised, so that people are coming forward and doing it. Like we guys have come today now through us. We're going to tell our friends to join the event and try and do something for this. And especially through marathons, we are kind of creating an awareness, which is the best thing to do ever.
Because certain events are only the chance where everyone gets together and do this. Because in everyday life, no one gets time and to go ahead and do certain kind of social work. But certain events only provoke us to go ahead, take a part, be with everyone, and go ahead to contribute our from ourselves towards the society.
And what do you guys think of Joyfest?
So Joyfest is a organization which is contributing towards the underprivileged people of the country. Whereas contribution is being made in any kinds, clothes, shoes, which is a very great thing, because sometimes what happens, we have our clothes but we throw it away. So it is better to give it to the people who are underprivileged, because they cannot do those things. So if we can do it from our side, that's a great thing, and I really I would like to associate with this organization in the near future.
I would always I want to appeal to everyone, every student of this nation, कि आपकी जो पुरानी किताबें हैं, पुराने कपड़े हैं, पुराने बुक्स हैं, शूज़ हैं, just give it. उसको रखिए मत, because आप नए खरीदते हमेशा. Just give it. It would at least make a smile on someone's face who is not able to buy those things. It's just about that smile. That's it. Just that.